everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to make cheddar jalapeno crackers. I thought about not doing a video today, but I promised y'all that I would make a video every day for 365 days. So here we go. I was a little hungry earlier, so I ate, and I decided, yeah, I'll go ahead and make a video. I'm alright now. Okay, so I'm using just the single slices, and I think they have 1 carb in it, so this makes 4 crackers. So yes, so it'll be 1 carb for 4 crackers. Pretty simple. You just half them and then quarter them. Now if you want 1 big cracker, you still split it and just make it kind of close, because they'll slip right into each other. And if you want to put a jalapeno in there, just put a jalapeno on top. Jalapeno on top. Put this in the microwave for 50 seconds or a minute. Just depends on your microwave wattage. My old microwave took a minute, but this one takes 50 seconds. So if you get it out and it's a little, crispier or a little burnt more than what you want, then 50 seconds, or take it down. And then if it's too soft, then up it. That's it. I went ahead and made one earlier, and that's kind of what they look like. But I made this one bigger, so they're all not going to be that big. And this is the one without the jalapeno. And they're almost done. Got 20 more seconds. But this is cream cheese, and I put a little bit of this went in it. It just depends on how much cream cheese you want. I just put a little bit, and you slap it right on there like that, and you have crackers with cream cheese. Okay, so these are ready. So when they come out, sorry about that. When they come out, that's what they're going to look like. You wait about 10 to 20 seconds to let them cool down, or unless you're real hungry, and you can just pull them out like me and roll them up and just eat them like this. Because sometimes I have 0 patience, and I like them soft like that. But if you have a lot of patience, then they get hard. Doesn't take very long at all. 20 seconds for that. You can add chili powder to this. I'm gonna add any season you want, garlic powder, whatever. You can put 2 crackers together, put mustard in the middle. Be creative, but it doesn't matter. It's all very, very good. All right, thanks for joining me, and y'all have a good night, and I hope your keto and your low carb diets are going really, really good. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe to the next one. Thank you.